In today's video, I'm going to teach you 4 ChatGPT features you need to know. Boost productivity and creativity. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn ideas into polished outputs faster, make better sense of data, work across text and visuals in one place, and standardize repetitive tasks with reliable prompts. First up is smart writing and content generation. ChatGPT can produce structured outputs like blogs, scripts, emails, and reports while matching a tone and format you specify. Think of it as a 3-stage workflow: draft, refine, compress. Start by asking for a clear first draft tailored to your audience and goal. Then refine by requesting adjustments to voice, structure, or depth, and ask for examples or transitions where needed. Finally, compress for platforms with tighter limits by requesting a concise summary or executive brief. For best results, give it role, audience, and constraints, such as word count, headings, and must include points, and ask it to show its reasoning choices so you can steer quickly. Next is data analysis and problem solving. ChatGPT handles structured reasoning, basic data interpretation, and stepwise decomposition of complex questions. Paste in tables or a tidy summary of your data set and ask it to outline research angles, interpret trends, and surface insights with supporting evidence. If your notes are messy, it can convert them into findings, implications, and action items. Encourage transparent reasoning by asking it to walk through assumptions, show calculations, or provide a mini report with sections like objective, method, insights, and next steps. This makes it easier to audit the logic and move from raw information to decisions. Third is multimodal input across text, images, and documents. You can upload images or PDFs and get targeted summaries or edits in one interface. For example, upload a report and request key metrics, risks, and recommendations, or ask for page-cited highlights and a decision brief. Be specific about what matters. Request tables of figures, flagged inconsistencies, or rewritten sections with improved clarity. This saves time hopping between tools and keeps your review focused. Finally, workflow automation with prompt templates. Reusable prompts help you standardize outputs like product descriptions or email sequences and cut turnaround time. Keep a small library of templates that define audience, structure, tone, and success criteria with placeholders for variables. This reduces variance across a team and makes results predictable while still allowing quick tweaks. Bottom line, these features, used with structured prompts and iteration, reduce cycle time, improve consistency, and expand creative throughput, helping you ship better work faster.